So this is new construction. The concrete was laid back at the beginning of the summer. So my boy is out here today doing some post-construction cleanup. Gonna do basically a wash down on the house. They're more or less done with the build, and he's gonna be getting some of this red clay up with some mud Mayday. Check it out. That right there. He started over here and he's just laying down probably a 50-50 dilution of mud Mayday, and come back through, surface clean all this off, and then I'm guessing he'll probably work his way back down the sidewalk. My favorite thing about this is this. Need an ice cream man. Well, let's go see what this mud Mayday is gonna do.